Hello guys, welcome to my catch-up series. Today, I'm going to be going through some pairs. Yeah, I'm going to be going through three pairs: AUD, USD, gold, and one other pair. Right. So, looking at AUD, USD last week, we are having a slow movement. Right. Price have just been sitting on weekly resistance. Right, and yeah, price have been on that resistance for quite a while. So, and actually, I'm anticipating AUD weakness, but also I'm not optimistic about the dollar strength as well. So this market might just range for a while, but within the range, we can see opportunities, right? So we could see a trend line that have been holding on AUD USD, right? Was broken some few weeks ago, right? So, and yeah, we had this market trying to create a new lower high, but which is not yet valid because we don't have a lower low, right? So, before I can confidently say that AUD have broke structure into a bearish structure, we need to take out that low, right? So what I'm saying is that for us to turn into short-term bear market, then AUDs have to break below that zone and give us a nice lower high at that point, right? So, well, yeah, this will take time. Let's see what we can squeeze out of of this week market, right? So market have just been trying to go sideways, right? So we are just going to see what kind of opportunity can we squeeze out, right? We have that supply zone there, right? And we have another supply zone. Where market is ranging, I like trading zones. So because the market have been ranging, right? And we have that demand zone quite there, and we have this higher supply zone, right? So what I think this market could possibly print out for us this week is not that obvious, right? I would have say that we can have a buy opportunity here, but no, because this high here did not form a higher high to this high, so this cannot be a pattern at this point, right? So yeah, what I can say is that if we can see market hitting this high up, if market should hit this high up, then we could have a good sell opportunity uh, down to this level here, which is quite a lot of pips. That's like 200 pips, right? So, but in case that did not happen, we can watch out for a buy opportunity at this level, right? So I can consider this as a shoulder, and since orders haven't been taken out there, then price will obviously react when it hit that level. So now these are the two levels we should watch out for the rest of the week. And yeah, if not all this level, it won't give a nice trade setup, and you might just keep getting in and keep taking you out. So the best level to look for trade is down here or up here this week, right? So this level already have played out. I think played out on Tuesday or so. So this level have played out already. And yeah, if market should come back to that zone, it's not a fresh zone. So possibly it might not give a nice trade, right? So yeah, just, look at AUD, USD, that aspect. And for gold, yeah, for gold, I'm anticipating two move, right? Gold have fallen to a low that it have not tested for a very long time. I think since last year was when last time it was there. So yeah, on 4 hours, you could see it creating a kind of correction flag, right? So what I'm anticipating is just two opportunities, right? We can always have multiple views at the same time. So what I'm anticipating is that, okay, let gold hit this trend line, and give me sort of a candle rejection and confirmation, right? And just, I would like to take it up to that trend line. So, being in gold, gold movement is a lot of pips, and I would like to maximize that movement, right? So, because if I'm taking a buy from that level to this level, that's almost 300 pips, right? So, when I take a buy to that level, I will anticipate a sell again from that level down for a new lower low, right? So, yeah, I will anticipate a sell from there and down below that zone. So let's see. Okay, I can always adjust. I'm gonna use the daily chart to see what I'm drawing. Okay, yeah, my fibs are absolutely correct. So I'm gonna anticipate a rejection at any of the fib level, right? So with trend line hitting with the 50% Fibonacci, we might see kind of confusion there. It might decide to spike to the 61. I will put an eye on the 61 most, likely, because it might just decide to fake out. It happens all the time. So when it's hit that 61.8, I will obviously look for sell confirmation and to be a nice right to our extension. That's a lot of pips. So do not sleep on this cell, anticipate it, and you try to maximize the pips, almost 1,000 pips. So that's what I'll be looking out for gold. And if the trend line breaks up and it decides to keep going up, then we will look for a buy opportunity. So if this trend line decide to break, let's say decide to break up, all you have to do is just extend this trend line and wait for a new nice lower higher low, right? Back to that trend line. And yeah, we continue riding it. So we always ride to the market, right? So, and that's that. What pair would I like to give again? Let's see. All these peers are not actually saying anything. Okay, I think that's that for all we have. I would have loved to go through GBP but the power have just been sideways too, so it's not a nice market condition. So yeah, okay, that's that for my catch-up series. I wish you all the best. Trade safe.